In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get and activate your Lloyds debit card. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you know exactly what to expect. First, you'll need a Lloyds current account. You can open one online, in the mobile app, or by visiting a branch. Choose whichever option is easiest for you. During the application, you'll be asked for identification and some personal details. Make sure the information you provide is accurate and matches your ID, and double-check your address, as that's where your card will be sent. If you're applying online or in the app, follow the on-screen prompts step by step. If you prefer going to a branch, bring valid photo ID and any documents requested so your application can be processed smoothly. Once your current account is active, you don't need to request a card separately. A Lloyds debit card will be issued automatically and sent to your registered address. There's nothing extra to apply for here, just keep an eye on your post. If you've just opened your account digitally, you can also log in to confirm that everything's set up correctly. If you're already a Lloyds customer and you need a new card, the quickest route is through the app or internet banking. Log in, go to the card section and select Replace Card. This is useful if your card is worn out, damaged, or you simply need another one issued. Before you submit the request, it's smart to check that your address is still current so your replacement reaches you without delays. After that, it's time to wait for delivery. Cards typically arrive within 3 to 5 working days. Working days mean Monday to Friday, excluding bank holidays. Delivery times can vary slightly depending on your location and postal service, so don't worry if it takes the full window. Just make sure you're checking the mailbox at the address linked to your account. When your card arrives, you'll need to activate it before using it. You can do this in the Lloyds app in internet banking or by using the card at an ATM with your PIN. Activation in the app or online usually takes just a minute. Look for the option to activate your card under the Cards section. If you choose to activate at an ATM, insert your card, enter your PIN, and follow the on-screen instructions. Keep your PIN private and never share it with anyone. Once activated, your card is ready for everyday spending, cash withdrawals, and online purchases, and you're all set to start using your account confidently.